Banaras.
In Varanasi, Holiday IQ helped us find Hotel Diamond, which had a very welcoming and homely feel to it. The restaurant served delicious Indian food, and overall, I had a very comfortable stay. And it's time for me to write them a review.
Banaras is the city with a mystical charm.
Life is a journey, and what if the answer you're seeking is just on the other side of the road? And that is what I felt like, being in Banaras.
The place has so much to give, and it makes you think about life and death.
Banaras has its own style. The Banarsi Gamcha, the Banarsi Pan, the Pehelwan ki Lassi, the Banarsi Sari, and the Banarsi Lehja, of course. I mean, Banaras is one city that, the more you try to explore, the more you try to know it, it will create an unknown space for you, and you'll keep going back to that space to explore more of it.
बनारस गलियों का शहर है और आपको हर गली में एक मंदिर मिलेगा. Banaras is the place where it's a confluence of so many things. There are so many ideas floating about. People from all walks of life come and seek peace, try to seek answers.
So Banaras has a lot of sides to it. While one side is about religion, you have the holy part of it, and this other part which is about art and how sculptures are made and what goes behind all these puja and all these rituals. Best part about Hotel Heritage was its location. It was right outside the main city and still easily accessible. We were very lucky to find them through Holiday IQ.
For me was like an extension of Banaras itself. The peace stayed, the calmness stayed.
It's amazing being in a place where, any place for that matter, where revolutionary ideas have come from. And that is how I felt being in Bodh Gaya.
So being in Bodh Gaya for me was like getting a glimpse of Buddha's life.
And you know that Bodh Gaya is the place where Buddha got his enlightenment. So you have that sense of hope in, you feel that hopefulness, and that someday you'll also find yourself and you'll also find the purpose of your life. What are you seeking?
Bodh Gaya is the place where you realize the power of simplicity. Like, people are too much into complex things right now, we tend to complicate things. And being in Bodh Gaya, amongst the monks, you realize the power of simplicity and how there's so much beauty in it.
So we visited the Mahabodhi temple, and I was really looking forward to this one. I sat there under the peepal tree and I sketched, and for the first time when I sketched, there was nothing in my head. I felt all peaceful, and I wondered why. I wasn't so sure if it was the peepal tree or the whole vibe the place had.
So Banaras was all about mysticism, and Bodh Gaya was all about knowledge. I mean, both these places gave me a chance to explore more about myself, and actually taught me that there's so much more to explore and there's so much more to know.
It's so very beautiful when you start to understand how art, spirituality, and for that matter everything else around you is sort of connected in this very beautiful way, and one is incomplete without the other, and you felt like you're connected to not only yourself but every other being in this world.
After Rishikesh and McLeod, Varanasi and Bodh Gaya has been an inward bound deep experience for me.